How to fix a critical error has occurred in League of Legends. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to fix this error. First thing you have to do is go to its file location. You can find it from the shortcut, so right click on the shortcut of the game and then click on open file location. So once you do that, you're going to have to go back to Riot Games, go one folder back and then click on League of Legends. Now, once the file has loaded, you're going to have to delete the top two files where it says config and data. Select these two files and then delete them. Once you've done that, you can just go back and then go to League of Legends. Then right click on it, click on properties, and then go to compatibility. So here you just need to make sure you've turned on the two options where it says disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. After turning these two options, click on apply and OK and try to run the app. But if you're still having problem with it, try to disable the run program as administrator and then rerun it again. Now, once that is done, just close it out. So the process is not done here. You're going to have to close everything out and then run League of Legends. So click on yes and then run the game. Now what it does is it will start downloading those two files we've just deleted, and then your problem should be fixed. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.